What's going on, everybody? So I've been getting a lot of questions about dyeing the carpet, how it's holding up, like the traffic and if it's coming off or whatnot. So this does not come off on our clothing at all, but as you can see, it is starting to discolor now. It's turning a little bit of a purple side on some spots. The high traffic area, which you could see the different high traffic areas there, it's starting to kind of wear off a little bit. So I'm gonna recoat basically this. I mean, it's been working out really well. I vacuumed this like crazy. I mean, I went over it like 5 or 6 times. I just constantly vacuumed, all in the different areas. Wherever the furniture was laying down, I kind of roughed it up with a knife, tried to get everything out. I'm hoping that when I redo this, it'll just dye the stains. And I'm hoping that it just take the stains out, because even with the carpet cleaner, I can't get the stains out. So I did switch over to the actual box. This is the liquid here that I used in the other video, but I figured this one's a little cheaper. I figured I'd use this one. So this is the box. It's 1 1/8 ounce. I'm using 2-gallon jug, 2 boxes of these, and I'm gonna use probably half of the gray. And then I'll try to adjust it as it looks. If it's starting to look like I need a little bit more gray, I'll put a little bit more gray in it. Because the black tends to come out a little on the purple side, but for some reason the gray kind of cuts out the purple. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spray it down, and then I'm gonna disconnect the suction hose of the vacuum, then run over it with the vacuum. So generally what we do is, after I'm done spraying it, it takes about 3 to 4 days. We put down dirty towels, or towels that we don't use anymore. We put down the towels where we're walking back and forth for about a week. And then after that, it tends not to bleed anymore. So, or if you have clothing that you really don't care about, then you could just use that. So I used about half of this gray. Make sure you shake, when you get the liquid form, make sure you shake this up really good before you go and dump it in. So I do have this really hot. This is very hot water. I'm gonna use a half a cup of salt in this. So don't forget the salt, because when I started doing this the first time, I found out that without the salt, for some reason, it just doesn't work. So I'm doing a half a cup of salt on this. Again, this is a 2-gallon spray tank that I'm using here. You could pretty much get this at any Home Depot, Lowe's, Ace Hardware, Amazon. You could pretty much find these everywhere. They come in half-gallon, 1 gallon, 2 gallon, 3 gallon, depending on how large of an area you're going to spray. So I'm just really trying to get the salt kind of diluted in. That's basically what I'm doing, not really the color. The color's already mixed in. Okay. I think I'm gonna go a little bit more gray. It's a little bit purple still. So I got about 3/4 of the gray in here right now. Yeah, that looks pretty good right there. So I got 2 boxes of the black and 3/4 of the gray right now. Okay, let's spray this. So That's a pretty good pattern right there. All I'm doing is basically going, as the carpet turns black, I just keep moving along. And I kind of judge my speed according to how dark it goes down.
Every good day starts with a good night's sleep, but you can only sleep as well as your mattress will let you. With the Zenith Green Tea Luxe Memory Foam Mattress, you can treat yourself to the sleep you deserve. A new upgraded version of our best-selling green tea mattress is crafted for complete comfort with extra pressure relief, so you wake up feeling refreshed and recharged. Visit Amazon.com/Zenith to learn more.
I think I'm gonna add the rest of that gray in here, because it's still coming out a little purple. Okay, that's the rest of the gray, so it's one full bottle of gray, 2 packets. Okay, so I'm gonna just finish it off and keep on spraying and vacuuming. This way it doesn't set too much. I can kind of even it out with the vacuum. All right, so it's all done. So we're gonna put towels down. I'll leave it for about a week, let it completely dry, and then we should be good. So that's basically the update on dyeing the carpet. I'm hoping to get through this whole COVID thing. The prices of stuff can drop back down, and then we can start getting all the carpets replaced. Until next time, thanks for watching.